and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
YouTube has been exploited. AI has finally done it and cracked down on the world's biggest video website, allowing us to make money like this every single day. And like this, and like this. All without ever recording a video, editing a video, or paying for ads. And best of all, it takes less than 44 seconds a day. And that's it. I know you are confused right now and maybe skeptical, and that's understandable. Some skepticism is always healthy. All I ask from you is to continue watching this short message, and I'm going to prove to you without a shadow of a doubt that Nova is capable of making us $24,533.56 every single month in pure profit. You see, YouTube gets billions of visits every day, and we found a way to use AI to exploit their suggestion algorithm and force them to put any video they want in front of 400,000 views daily for 100% free. But most importantly, without breaking any of their TOS or spamming their platform, all without recording anything or being on a camera. We simply let AI do all of that for us, and we just get to sit back, relax, and enjoy. All it takes is just 44 seconds a day, which means we can work from the comfort of our homes, from our mobile, or even on the beach while sipping on our favorite cocktail. We created the world's first AI model that exploits YouTube's suggestions algorithm and forces it to send us hundreds of thousands of views for free. Here's the best part. Nova doesn't require any previous experience or technical setup. Just 44 seconds and you will be on your way to generating thousands of clicks from YouTube for 100% free. Here, we just published a new video with Nova, a video that we didn't create, and within the first 24 hours, we got a whopping 11,235 clicks to our link. Not only that, but those clicks converted into a massive payday for us. And all of that happened by creating our campaign in 44 seconds only, without editing or recording any videos, and without paying a penny in ads. That's the power of Nova, my friend. And today, you can have the same power as us and replicate our success. You don't need to learn anything. You don't need to buy any expensive app, and you don't need to spend your day tied to your laptop working. Nova eliminates all of that. You can use Nova from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 2 minutes. Take a look at this. While I'm recording this video for you, I made $753.11 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. Nova gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone: affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to Nova. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this gonna cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Nova, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Nova was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Nova for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Nova. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Nova if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So after we hit our limit, we are going to raise the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Nova for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get Nova and don't make any money. You get all of your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to Nova, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside. See you inside.